Here is the very low mile, clean Aprilia TUONO, the little blinkers, bar end mirrors. I've got it wired for iPhone and escort radar detector here. Sliders, case guards, cleaned up rear tail section, full racing Aprilia exhaust. I'll turn this on in a second. You'll hear one of the most beautiful sounding things you've ever heard. And then these are the lights. I changed out the headlights and put these running lights on that are insanely bright. So I'll start it up here.